growing a tropical fruit garden. Fruit trees and a lot of shrubs and stuff like that. Stuff to eat. What do you call it? Fruit. Some not too much veg. Dates and other things. We've got custard apples. You can grow everything basically. You've got limes and lemons. And papaya. She likes papaya, so we grow a fair bit of that as well now. But I just grow it in pipes. Then after it's easy to look after. You can put soil here as well and put vegetables around the fruit trees. No problem here. There's the dwarf papaya, only 1.2 metres high, and already it's already got papayas growing on it. These ones are miniature sized bananas as well, only grow about maybe under 2 metres. So I just planted them last week, so we can eat, see how they get on basically, give it maybe 1 or 2 months. Then dates. The custard apples I like, that's the fruit I like. Easy to grow. There's 3 growing now. So only a small bush, and already it's got 3. Today we put new soil in it and buffalo manure, so they'll come on. This one's good though. This one's got good banana, nice big banana, but it's a small tree. Same again, lots of water, lots of fertiliser, and organic. So we can have them this year. Jackfruit as well, lots of jackfruit, and it grows really easy. Pineapples here. This one same big concrete pipes. You can put vegetables here, no problem. But now's the dry season, so you need to water it. If you don't got any water supply, then forget about doing it. But the water's going down and down and down. We're down maybe, I don't know, 25 metres now, 25, 30. So my next one's going to be about 60. So I'll go down even further, put in a 6-inch bore and big tanks. Then I want to, after I put the tanks, then I want to put sprinkler systems at high pressure. Then I've not got to do all the watering. That's big mango. I just planted that about, I don't know, 4 years ago. Already it's this year it's going to start to fruit. You can enjoy it. But it's nice to be in your own private space and have all that nice fruit and just to relax. The town's shitty, it's polluted and dirty, and I didn't like it. There's more papayas I just put in as well. But this one's got loads of papaya. But I just threw them in with seeds about maybe, I don't know, 6 months ago, and already they're starting to fruit. But if you got the time to look after the garden, everything's fine, No hurry, Okay. Growing fruit then, Growing fruit. Oh, and nice orchids as well. You can grow that. I think orchids are a good thing to have. Look nice. But the garden's extensive. It's a big garden. There's only a small part that goes away across here. And at the front as well. Just all over the place I put fruit. There's chilies on here. Okay. This one's another nice mango tree. And it's a very nice taste mango. Okay. So what more do you want, Grow your own fruit and have a nice place to stay.